When it comes to my personal style, I get my inspiration from these 3 fashion designers that are currently being showcased on the Miami Runway. So come along with me and learn about these fashion trailblazers. So my first designer is Angel Sanchez. He was born in Venezuela, but he was raised in New York. He's designed dresses for Meryl Streep, Eva Longoria, and Sandra Bullock, just to name a few. Sanchez has a way of creating these beautiful lines and then breaking them up with embellishments, as you see here. This fabric also lays beautifully. The dress is not wearing her, but she is wearing the dress. My next designer is Carolina Estefan. This Colombian-born designer uses the Brazilian influence to create elegant gowns with a touch of oddity. She strongly believes in creating versatile pieces, and each piece is designed to make a woman feel feminine, powerful, and confident. My next favorite designer is Agatha Louise de la Prada, and her designs have been shown in fashion capitals like Paris, Madrid, and Milan. Her designs have become a true medium of artistic expression. She's known for her Spanish influences, which mean super colorful and super vibrant. I hope you've enjoyed hearing about my 3 favorite fashion designers that are a part of Miami Fashion Week.